Adult 3, Unit 8b, the first conditional. This is if and the present tense with will and won't to talk about a situation that if this happens, something else will happen too. A cause, a situation, and a consequence. Okay, a situation and a consequence. Let's take a look at some examples. If I miss the last bus, I'll take a taxi. If you tell her the truth, she won't believe you. What will you do if he doesn't call you? We use if and then the present tense. If I miss, if you tell, what will you do? To talk about a possible situation, and will and won't plus the base form, I will take a taxi, to talk about the consequence. Do I want to take a taxi? Probably not. I want to take the bus. But if I miss the last bus, no problem. I'll take a taxi. The if clause can come first or second. Look at this example. If you don't go, she won't be very happy, is the same as she won't be very happy if you don't go. You can change the order of the situation and the consequence, but the if stays the same. If the if clause comes first, we usually put a comma between the two clauses. If you miss the last bus, take a taxi. If you miss the last bus, you can take a taxi. Two other possible sentences because we can also use the imperative, take a taxi, or can and the base form, you can take a taxi in the other clause. So this is a possible situation and the possible consequence that follows from it. The important thing to remember is after if it's the present, and after will or won't, it's the base form. Let's do some practice. Here in 8b, we can match the sentence halves. For example, if you leave now, you'll catch the 8 o'clock train. Pause and complete 6 sentence halves. Okay, let's check. Number 1, the ticket will be cheaper if you travel after 9 o'clock. 2, if I don't see you this afternoon, I'll call you this evening. 3, you will learn more quickly if you come to every class. Number 4, if you get that new job. F, will you earn some more money? This is a question about the situation. 5, you won't pass your driving test if you don't take enough lessons. And 6, if I lend you this book, will you give it back to me soon? In part B, we complete with the correct form of the verbs in brackets. For example, if we start walking, the bus will come. If plus the present and will or won't plus the base form of the verb. Pause and complete 9 questions. Okay, let's check. Number 1, if you tell me your secret, I won't tell anybody else. Number 2, if I don't write it down, So the present negative, don't write it down. I won't remember it. Number 3, will you call me if you get any news? Here, calling me is the consequence. If you get any news is the situation. Number 4, she will help you if you ask her nicely. 5, I will call you if I hear from Alex. Number 6, you will miss your friends if you move to Paris. Number 7, if you listen carefully, you will understand everything. Number 8, the boss won't be very happy if you are late for work. So this after if is the present. After if is the present. And here the present of the verb to be for the subject you is are. I am, you are, he is, she is. But here it's in the base form, just be, won't be. Number 9, I will drive you home if you give me directions. Okay? So this is the first conditional, a possible situation in the future and its possible consequence if it happens. If and present tense and future tense for the consequence. Okay, thank you. See you next time.